We are live here on Zim Video TV. As we are live here at the Zimbabwe Video, we are in collaboration with our fellow Zimbabweans in Zimbabwe on the Million Man March, the Egypt and Tunisia style, to get our word across to Mugabe to say, enough is enough. We've seen what has been done in Northern Africa. Why can't we do the same, Zimbabweans? We surely have had enough. And here at the Zimbabwe Video, we have congregated just at the Zimbabwe Embassy to highlight that enough is enough. It's about time Mugabe left. It's about time ZANU-PF and Mugabe's and his cronies, they left Zimbabwe to the Zimbabwean people. And we got justice, democracy, and most of all, we seek free and fair elections later this year, and the election coming up. We want a fair election where the people say the people's votes are counted for and are respected. Stay tuned here at the Zimbabwe Embassy here at the Strand in central London. And I'm joined by one of the Zimbabwe VG coordinators just to tell us exactly what's happening here today on this Tuesday afternoon regarding the Million Man March happening in Zimbabwe as well. How are you, Rose? Just give us a brief down of what's happening here today.
Yes, we're here in solidarity with people back home who have called a protest. Their protest happened at 11 o'clock Zimbabwean time, 9 o'clock this morning. We have heard nothing yet about how successful it was or whether it happened or anything, but we do know that security forces were gathering en masse in Zimbabwe, in Harare last night. So, you know, if they're not successful, one can't, you know, blame them. But in whatever's happened in Zimbabwe, the fact that people are willing to try and sort this out, we need to come out in solidarity. So that's the reason for this protest. As a symbolic gesture, we have just hung Mr. Mugabe. We want him to go at all costs. He's 87 years old, 31 years in power. He's another raving lunatic like Gaddafi.
Yeah, I was just going to mention that we've just been inspired by what's happening in Northern Africa. But do you see this carrying on as well in Zimbabwe? It's just a matter of sort of kicking on from this march, and we see how it turns out and what happens from today.
Yes, I guess we just have to watch the thing. But what we need to do, I think Zimbabweans need to really work out what could undermine this regime, what their weaknesses are, and work on those. And once people lose their fare, as we've seen in Egypt and Tunisia and Libya, then they are prepared to risk everything to get their freedom. And so this is a question: how can we make Zimbabweans lose their fare? Yeah.
Right. We cry for the change from exit, from freedom, for our heart's freedom, from the pain. There is a call for freedom going out there in the world, in Africa. We need that freedom as well in Zimbabwe. We need total democracy. We don't want whereby a prime minister is not respected. Any minister is not respected because there is someone who thinks he's a god in that country. We want our liberty. That's why we are here. We want our freedom. That's why we are here. Right, I want to say this. I salute the people of Egypt for standing up for their demands in history. I salute the people of Libya for their encouragement which they are doing. It only goes to show us that where there is a will, there is a way. Every dictator knows that most dangerous man is one-armed with an idea of what he wants and is willing to resolutely stand up for it. I've waited for this day in Zimbabwe, and I know one day it will come. The day when Robert Mugabe will be put off dismissed of his popular will by the people of Zimbabwe. Oh yes, I mentioned Robert Mugabe by name because he is the head and face of system that has ruthlessly and shamefully brought us this misery through deceit, plunder and murder. Can I continue, please?
Yes.
Why do you continue to use your ill-gotten power to exercise Mr. Mugabe? Today, you have just pardoned an unknown convicted serial rapist, Zira, simply because you want him to campaign for you in another shame election. Because you want to use those people who are innocent. Why do you do this, Mugabe? If it was Bona Mugabe who had been raped, would you have pardoned that rapist? Why have you arrested Gwisai? Why have you arrested Job Scala for no reason? Why have you arrested those 46 people for just watching a television show?
Yes.
Pastor Mugabe! Freedom Africa! It is our generation's responsibility to remove this dictatorship. No one will come and remove him for us. If we don't want, then we will continue to be cast in this generation by this dictator. This will not happen. I've got a photograph here. Sorry, it's so small. This is someone who has been buried in the open air. His name is called Joshua Bakachena. He was buried in a farm in Beatrice. Just taken from his house, driving his car in the street. Our streets are no longer safe. There are lions who are just waiting to devour us, to eat us. We are not going to wait for this. We are going to unite our powers and overthrow these lions, these dictators, these ruthless people.
Yes.
Priorities we need: promotion, respect of human rights, rule of law, nation building, economic and social rehabilitation and development. Think of the following people: Pastor Mugabe, go. The task of the nation is to have peace, stability, national dialogue and reconciliation, depoliticize all state organs, no political interference and undermining of functions of the law enforcement, restoration of law and good governance, maintenance of law and order, and defense of the nation, respect of human rights as enshrined in the Constitution, recognition and respect of independence of the judiciary, restoration of the tradition of rule of chiefs, economic and social development, peace and tranquility, creation of conducive atmosphere for the development of the country, creation of jobs to uplift living standards, restore norms of the banking sector, provide necessary means and measures of fight corruption in Africa. Viva democracy!
Viva!
Viva the free will of freedom for the people of Zimbabwe!
Viva!
Thank you, people of Zimbabwe.
Just got the people that press attention.
Aluna continua. Aluna Mugabe.